Achieving the bedroom of your dreams can get frustrating if you're dealing with limited space. When it comes to home improvement, the best solution is to take the matter into our own hands by starting a DIY project. Going DIY is practical and affordable. Not to mention that you'll be addressing every one of your needs with a custom solution. We've compiled some of the best trends and ideas for 2021 to help you save space in the bedroom. Later, keep this 12 space-saving furniture for bedroom ideas close to your heart if you plan to make over your bedroom. Or if that's too much, grow your playlist by adding this video. As always, this video is presented to you by simphome.com. 12. DIY captain's bed with storage. Have you imagined getting the childhood bedroom of your dreams? While we want to give our kids all that money can buy, a DIY project might be even better. We're a little obsessed with how this DIY savvy mom built her sons a full-size captain's bed from scratch. She used dimensional lumber and cut these down into the desired measurements using a circular saw. This mom will win the best award for all the details she put into this captain's bed. The final product is complete with a headboard, footboard, a desk, nightstands, chairs, and of course, drawers. There's no better way to show how much you love your kids by making something from the heart. 11. A DIY sleeper chair idea. Who knew that the Transformers came in furniture as well? We love how functional furniture can magically transform into another valuable piece for your small space. This DIY twin sleeper chair, for example, ticks all the boxes when it comes to style and functionality. Simply pull down the chair and you'll have a twin-size bed. If you'll be lounging around, prop up the bed to become a comfortable lounge chair. We're inspired by how this DIY project combined modern design style with natural elements. The piece even comes with internal storage, so you can easily stow away the cushions and mattresses. While this sleeper chair isn't the most straightforward DIY project out there, it's definitely manageable thanks to easily accessible materials. All you'll need are plywood, long screws, and hinges. Ask help from your local Home Depot if you need assistance with cutting your wood pieces into the required dimensions. 10. DIY accordion bed idea. If you think blow-up mattresses are the best space-saving solution to tiny homes, we'd like you to reconsider. We're in love with these smart roll-out beds. The innovative design looks like an accordion. The bed has 2 compartments, a larger box to store the mattress, and a smaller one that holds the roll-out bed that you can easily pull out. This space-saving solution has a length of about 8 feet. Assembling a DIY smart roll-out bed might take less than half a day, and it'll cost you only around $250. To put a cap on this exciting idea, we recommend getting a reliable memory foam mattress to get the most out of the experience. Linen Spa offers an 8-inch to 12-inch memory foam and innerspring hybrid for ultimate comfort. Choose between 7 different mattress sizes to suit your needs. If you're not yet convinced, the 84,000 plus reviews averaging 4.6 stars might change your mind. Number 9. Figure out the shared spaces. Can't quite decide how to go about a shared space? It can get overwhelming. Not only do you need to think about sleeping areas, but storage options as well. We love how this DIY project made the most out of this shared room. We're always big fans of maximizing both vertical and horizontal spaces. By building a second deck to hold the bed, they would produce additional storage space as well. We felt called to spread this idea because multi-level rooms can produce a semblance of privacy in a shared space you probably need right now. We also love this idea of converting a daybed into a backup guest bed. For under $350, you can score chic, stackable daybeds with 2 twin mattresses. This DIY project artfully added a headboard and a bed frame to elevate the look. 8. DIY side-fold Murphy bed. If Murphy beds amaze you, then the side-fold Murphy bunk bed will blow your mind. This is a great option for homeowners who are dealing with shared spaces in a tiny house. Simply tuck away these bulky beds and use the functional space in the day as a play area or a workspace. When you're dealing with tiny rooms, you'll need all the help you can get. Consider getting one of these handy, collapsible wall-mounted clothes racks from Instahanger. We love that this hanger is convenient and affordable at less than $20. Almost 5,000 reviewers are in love with this useful wall hanger, which has an average rating of 4.7. 7. DIY bay window flip-top storage bench. We love it when we find functional solutions to maximizing storage space. An idea we're inclined with is using the interior of a bay window bench as extra storage. This DIY design has the top lid pop-up, so you can even choose to hide the opening with your choice of cushions and throw pillows. If this idea calls you, follow the link provided, especially for you, inside the description. 6. A DIY extending bed frame for ultimate functionality. No words can describe the sheer genius of this multifunctional sofa bed storage in one complete package. We love the idea of getting only a single piece of furniture for all your needs. This is a great choice, especially if you live in a tiny apartment or a studio. Simply fold up the bed and tuck away your night essentials to transform the piece into a comfy couch or daybed. You won't ever have to worry about accommodating guests who have no choice but to sit on your floor or bed. Before you tackle the job of building an extending bed frame, research how you can make the most out of hinging lids and extension slats for your project. From there, you can get started on building the frame and assembling the pieces. 2 DIY instructional guides from Ray Feng Photography and Van Dog Traveler are the perfect way to get started. 5. Build your own ultimate space-saving bedroom. This bedroom design is focusing on making the most out of every available square inch in the room. We're inspired by this idea, from building a second deck for the additional bed to transforming the tall steps as extra storage space. We felt excited to share this idea. We also love how the first level bed has additional storage beneath it. The star of this idea is a staircase that doubles as additional storage. We love that they're designed to be tall and narrow, so they're not at all an eyesore. Having open shelving for these cabinets is a smart move to maximize every additional storage space inch. 4. Loft fit for a king. Lofts are chic and stylish ways to elevate, pun intended, a bedroom. You don't have to settle with small mattresses to adopt this style in your room. Lofts are also a great way to increase functional space if you want a massive bed. Also, we're in love with this refreshing and open king-sized loft bedroom. The biggest loft bed you could find on the market is probably double, so how is this possible? The solution is to find a bed frame that can easily be hacked and extended. Go with either a Stora or Tarva bed frame to easily adjust it to your needs. A loft is a luxurious and also comfortable item for almost any size bedroom. And before we move to the next idea, we recommend incorporating these ultra soft and silky pillows from Amazon to elevate your bedroom space even further. 3. A cubby library. Who said that libraries have to have the floor-to-ceiling shelves? This unique apartment with hidden nooks and cubbies, for example, proves that a size is just a number. We love how this apartment incorporated a small reading nook right beside the master bed. This small cubby-like library is excellent for your keeping your must-reads close at hand, or get the next idea if you can't read books for long hours. 2. The ottoman bed idea. For the ultimate space-saving solution for your bedroom, we're excited to share with you a unique product. This unassuming ottoman chair is folded into 3 parts. You'll find that this fluffy ottoman can transform into a full-size mattress. We love that the ottoman comes in a neutral case that can blend in well with any bedroom style. Before we finish this countdown, support the channel by pressing the subscribe button under the video. Keep us in your subscription tabs for more home and garden improvement ideas like this. And finally, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, number 1, the DIY rustic double-decker idea. This double-decker DIY project might seem complicated, but you'll be surprised to see how simple the process is. We're also glad to find how you can incorporate it with a foldable working table for the ultimate space-saving solution. The DIY project used only affordable and easy-to-use materials for the ultimate beginner-friendly space-saving bunk bed. For the details, follow the link we prepared for you inside the description. In conclusion, so finding enough space in your bedroom to fit all your essentials can be overwhelming. It would be best to find the right balance between organizing all your belongings and finding your style. Thanks to all the authors behind these helpful design and storage ideas compiled by Simphome, an amateur DIYer like you can surely present a new bedroom space that maximizes the space without compromising style and sophistication. That's it for now. Since you're still watching this video, press the like button, comment it, or share it with anyone close to you in your favorite social media channel. Browse and follow the Simphome website for more amazing content related to home and decor ideas. And until we meet again later, sometime in the future, thanks for watching.